Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU Solar Pro and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HAYLOU Phone application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HAYLOU Phone on the phone that is paired with our watch. Skip this. And once you open the app, you should see the home screen. Now tap on Mine, select your HAYLOU Solar Pro from the list of devices. And here, scroll down through the page and find the option called Reset to Factory. Once you find it, tap on Confirm, and the watch will disappear from the... oh, never mind, it didn't disappear from the device list. It will only reset itself to the factory default settings. So once you see the welcome screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And now you can remove the watch from the list by tapping on it, scrolling down and tapping on unbind if you don't want to pair it again with your phone. And once you unbind it, it will be gone. And now you can close the app. And that's how you unpair this watch, or rather not unpair, my bad, how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.